If you've ever wondered about the future of finance or how to take control of your own money, then you're in the right place, because today we're going to be diving into the world of crypto DeFi, and a big shout out to the De.Fi team for sponsoring this review video. Now, we're going to break down what exactly De.Fi is, the game-changing amount of new updates that they have, as well as it means for traditional banking and your cryptocurrency portfolios. And whether you're new to DeFi or crypto, there's definitely going to be something in here for you for today's video, and we're going to cover everything that you need to know today. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and please understand that we're not financial advisors, and full disclosure, we do hold the cryptocurrencies discussed in today's video. Crypto trading is very risky, never risk more than you can afford to lose, and everything in this video is not financial advice, rather just education, teaching you and sharing updates about this project. So if you're ready to learn, we're ready to teach. Let's get started. DeFi, short for decentralized finance, revolutionized the financial landscape by enabling peer-to-peer financial services on public blockchains, primarily on Ethereum. Now, unlike traditional finance, DeFi operates without intermediaries such as banks or brokerages, leveraging smart contracts to facilitate direct transactions between users. This decentralized approach minimizes the reliance on centralized entities, offering a more transparent and accessible financial ecosystem. And today, we're going to be covering some massive new updates with a project called De.Fi. That's right, literally, it's called De.Fi. Now, De.Fi is a prominent player in the DeFi space and has been instrumental in enhancing security and convenience for users. Now, since its inception all the way back in 2020 of July, DeFi has grown to over 5 million users and tracks over 25 billion in user funds. Now, the platform is renowned for its innovative tools, including the first ever crypto antivirus, the most advanced revoking tool, and these tools have collectively protected over 1.2 billion in user funds for Web3 scams. Now, DeFi also has a token which plays a critical role in their entire ecosystem, enabling users to participate in governance across exclusive features. But today I wanted to share some massive time-sensitive updates, and you can see here there's going to be a new centralized exchange listing for that DeFi token coming very soon. Now, other things to note about DeFi and their token is that they are backed by Binance, Coinbase, and many other of some of the biggest angel investors in the world. And some of those investors are Shima Capital, Consensus, Wobi Ventures, DeFinance Capital, HOF Capital, Fenbish Capital, NGC Ventures, OKX Block Dream Ventures, Genblock Capital, 21 Shares, and many others like Bitmart, DexTool, Swissborg, Parsec, Contango, NFT Tech, Lanlin Ventures, Unanimous Capital, Bixin, and Blockchain. You can also see some of the biggest angel investors like Justin Lee from Coinbase and MA Ventures, John from Binance Chain as their director, Kane from Synthetics, Dean from Polygon, and many others from many other very reputable crypto projects. They also have some of the biggest exchange investors as well as some of the biggest key opinion leaders in crypto today. And with the new centralized exchange listing coming very soon, I believe it could be one of the biggest exchanges in the world. Now, we don't know exactly which one is, but you will need to keep coming back to the channel here. So smash the like button, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more DeFi updates, as well as to find out what this exchange is going to be. Now, I believe it's going to be one of these bigger ones because they have some very big backers who want to see this project succeed. And today, the DeFi token is tradable over on Bybit, Gate.io, MEXC, BitGet, KuCoin, BingX, Uniswap, CoinX, PancakeSwap, Radium, and many others. In fact, there's over 17 different exchanges that you can buy, sell, and trade the De.Fi tokens today. Now, if you simply go to De.Fi, here is where you can see this major announcement, as well as understanding more about what this project is. Again, it's a Web3 AI SuperApp where you have your own DeFi portfolio tracker, as well as their shield, and you can also see much more happening with their transaction tools where you're able to send and swap, connecting your own network here. Again, these are very simple, easy to use DeFi tools, especially if you are somebody who is new. So again, you can swap right from ETH to the De.Fi token. And again, only make sure to use the official contract addresses. Now, they also have their accelerator as well as their yield exporter. And they also have their rekt database here. So again, a lot of different tools and a lot of different things for you to use. And I think this is an absolutely unknown product that a lot of people just haven't figured out yet and are, well, probably not even using to their own disposal. Now, they also have their address book here where you can see, you can connect your different wallets, where you can also have your crypto market as well as multiple different updates here right in real time. It's almost acting like CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. They also have the De.Fi token. So if you were an early investor or you want to be an investor, you can see here this coin is tradable on multiple different exchanges and on multiple different blockchains. So you have the Solana chain, BNB chain, and the Ethereum blockchain, which is absolutely fantastic for users. Again, if you want to have very quick, easy, fast fees, BNB and Solana chain for this token is fantastic. Also, you can see here that it's already on a variety of different exchanges, on centralized exchanges, which is going to be very helpful for you to get in and out of this token. Again, here are the DeFi contract addresses, so make sure you only use the official addresses found here in this video and on their official website. Now, what's also really cool is that you're able to stake De.Fi tokens, and the longer that you stake, the more rewards that you're able to earn. Simply connect your wallet, stake your De.Fi tokens, and again, remember that there are risks versus rewards to actually doing this, and again, you can simply click the unstake button once your time has expired. So again, this is classic DeFi. If you're somebody who is very new, this might be a little bit foreign to you, but again, we highly recommend that you come to the website, do your research, connect your wallet, and learn how all of these DeFi tools work, as it can offer you some very nice rewards. Remember, you can see here an ROI of 133.32% is definitely something to pay attention to, but you have to be a long-term person when it comes to this crypto. As you can see, you have to stake for 4 years. Now, if you go to 3 months, the APR drops drastically to just 13.33%. However, again, you can choose what you'd want to do, or you can just hold your tokens however you want to. But the fact that this project is backed by Consensus, 21 Shares, OKX, and many others, and was founded literally 4 years ago, they're going to continue to keep building. And they also have over 300,000 followers right now. You can also see that Bybit, De.Fi, Learn Revolution is here. They continue to keep updating their account. They are building and continuing to keep building regardless of the price action. But speaking of the price action, this cryptocurrency has been trading up into the right for the last month, finding lows right around 1 to 2 pennies, and now it's sitting all the way at 5 cents. And with a market cap of only $17 million on a fully diluted valuation of $52 million, this is a high risk, high reward cryptocurrency asset. But that being said, the fact that it has all the things going for it, as I've mentioned in this video, the new centralized exchange listing, the massive investors who probably want to see a nice return on their investment, all of their different angel investors and KOLs, as well as this token already being on some of the big exchanges in the world, it really does show me that this could definitely be one of those undervalued altcoin gems that people are not paying attention to. This is personally why I have bought and will be holding on to this cryptocurrency asset in this bull run. But let me know what you think about De.Fi. Simply click the links down below for even more information, and make sure to follow them over on their X account for even more information of the time sensitiveness of the new exchange. It's going to be launching literally tomorrow. That's why you keep coming back to this channel, because we keep updating you on new crypto projects and when they end up launching. So you can see here that with this time sensitiveness of the new launch of the new exchange, I believe it's going to bring even more liquidity back into this cryptocurrency asset. It's definitely why we've seen the price action where it is today. Now, this is going to be happening very, very soon, so make sure to follow them over literally at DeFi on their X account. Thanks again for watching this review video. We'll see you in the next ones. Stay tuned.